Too many similar pans hide the trade-offs. Start with the Tramontina Professional for straightforward, delicate cooking, unless your cooktop requires induction. Choose by cooktop, heat level, coating, and upkeep. For most homes, buy the Tramontina Professional Non-Stick Fry Pan. Its thick aluminum body, manageable 10 in size, and flared shapes suit eggs, omelets, pancakes, and fish. It works with gas, electric coil, glass, and ceramic cooktops. But residue can gather around the exposed handle rivets, and coated cookware eventually needs replacement. Skip it for induction or repeated high-heat searing. For induction cooking, choose the Tramontina Tri-Ply Non-Stick Fry Pan. Its steel-wrapped aluminum base brings induction compatibility while keeping the practical 10 in format for eggs and pancakes. That base adds weight, and its sides can heat less evenly on other cooktops. The oven rating also doesn't make it a searing specialist. Skip it if your kitchen uses gas, electric coil, glass, or ceramic heat. For high heat and longer ownership, buy the OXO Obsidian carbon steel fry pan with silicone sleeve. It's lighter than cast iron and handles eggs, hard searing, oven cooking, and induction. The compromise is maintenance, seasoning condition, and technique affect food release, so results won't stay as effortless as coated non-stick. Heat also spreads less uniformly than with a strong encapsulated base. Skip it if you want consistently slick, low-effort cleanup. For a ceramic alternative on non-induction cooktops, consider the OXO Enhanced 10 in Frying Pan Skillet. Its balanced shape and shallow, flared sides work well for occasional eggs, pancakes, and other delicate foods. However, the surface isn't perfectly level, so oil or eggs can move toward an edge. Ceramic release may also fade sooner than conventional nonstick. Skip it if you cook frequently, require induction, or prioritize lasting release. If you want a ceramic-coated skillet that works on induction, consider OXO's Ceramic Professional Non-Stick 10 in Fry Pan. It's made for lighter, everyday meals, with a steady feel, roomy handle, and relatively even heat. The catch is its higher price than many regular non-stick pans. Ceramic release doesn't last forever, and care habits can affect wear. Skip it if affordability or lasting slickness is your top concern. Most homes, Tramontina Professional. Induction, Tramontina Tri-Ply. High heat, OXO Obsidian. Ceramic without induction, OXO Enhanced. Ceramic with induction, OXO Ceramic Professional. Before buying, confirm cooktop compatibility, decide whether you'll maintain seasoning, and leave enough storage space for the handle and pan body. Start with the Tramontina Professional unless you need induction. Switch to carbon steel for searing, or choose the matching ceramic route for your cooktop. Links are in the description. That's the brief, fit, trade-offs, and skip if before you buy. Subscribe for the next buying guide.